Having few plants in your home might make it look better, but, in fact, some plants might keep you healthy. Do you know which are the best plants you should buy? Here at Healthier Everyday, we provide you with the best tips to improve your health and overall well-being. Why plants? In 1989, NASA discovered that houseplants can absorb harmful toxins from the air, especially in enclosed spaces with little airflow. This study has been the basis for newer studies about indoor plants and their air cleaning abilities. While plants have less horsepower than air purifiers, they're more natural, cost-effective, and therapeutic. NASA recommends 2 or 3 plants in 8 to 10-inch pots for every 100 square feet. Some plants are better at removing certain chemicals than others. Household chemicals come from objects and materials. Now let's see the best plants you should get for your home. Number 1. Spider plants. Also known as air plants, spider plants grow quickly and look great in hanging baskets, especially in your workspace. Sometimes they even produce lovely white blossoms. Spider plants have more than 200 species, and many of them can survive a little forgetfulness from us. You should water your spider plants 2 to 3 times a week. For children or animals who like to play with swinging things, this plant is safe. It eliminates formaldehyde and xylene toxins. Number 2. Dracaenas. Dracaenas are a newbie green thumb's dream. This large group of houseplants comes in all shapes, sizes, and colors. Choose from the tall corn plant, which has interesting markings, or the rainbow plant, which comes in bright purple. Keep the soil damp but not soggy, as too much water is a kiss of death for this plant. Your cat or dog may vomit, salivate more, or have dilated pupils if they eat dracaenas. It eliminates formaldehyde, xylene, toluene, benzene, trichloroethylene. Number 3. Golden pothos. Also known as devil's ivy, this plant may be as close as plants can get to indestructible. It flourishes in a variety of conditions and can grow up to 8 feet long. It's also considered one of the most effective indoor air purifiers for removing common toxins. Water when the soil is dry. You can trim the tendrils when the plant gets too big. Keep this plant out of reach for both cats and dogs since it's pretty toxic to them. It eliminates formaldehyde, xylene, toluene, benzene, carbon monoxide, and more. Number 4. Erica palms. This small plant from Madagascar is easier to grow outdoors. But if you have a space with bright filtered light, its gracefully arching leaves will make a pretty addition to the room. This thirsty plant needs plenty of water during growth, but less in the winter. These tall plants and their leaves are non-toxic to both cats and dogs. It eliminates benzene, carbon monoxide, formaldehyde, trichloroethylene, xylene, and more. Number 5. Chrysanthemums. Florists' chrysanthemums or mums are ranked the highest for air purification. They're shown to eliminate common toxins as well as ammonia. Treat yourself to a fresh pot, as this flower only blooms for about 6 weeks. Or you can fertilize the pot again in the spring when new growth appears. But without the flowers, it won't be purifying the air. If you don't want to wait, you might want to just get a new pot. Check the soil's moisture every other day and keep it damp. Even though it has a friendly name, mums are toxic to both cats and dogs. It eliminates formaldehyde, xylene, benzene, ammonia. Number 6. Bamboo palms. This sturdy plant is known for its easy elegance and height. It likes bright, but not direct sunlight, and does have preferences about its care. Bamboo palms also transpire a healthy dose of moisture into the air, making it a welcome addition in dry winter months. Keep the soil moist. Place bamboo palms where air circulates freely and mist occasionally to prevent spider mites. Bamboo palms are safe to keep in a house with pets. It eliminates formaldehyde, benzene, carbon monoxide, xylene, chloroform, and more. Number 7. English ivy. This evergreen climbing plant is well adapted to indoor conditions. Different varieties will prefer different light situations, from bright, indirect light to low light spaces. It'll look especially picturesque growing from a hanging basket or around your windowsill. Water generously during growth, but don't overwater during the winter. Although the English ivy thrives almost anywhere, it's known to cause problems in dogs, farm animals, and humans when eaten. The chemicals in the sap can also cause severe contact dermatitis in humans, especially those with sensitive skin. It eliminates benzene, carbon monoxide, formaldehyde, trichloroethylene, and more. Number 8. Rubber plants. Rubber plants are evergreen trees from India. Their roots grow upwards and often become entwined around the plant's trunk, forming interesting shapes. These plants love bright, filtered light and a little attention now and then. Water moderately to keep the soil moist, especially in the winter. Prune the leaves and wipe them down to keep them looking pretty. Rubber plants are toxic to cats and dogs. It eliminates carbon monoxide, formaldehyde, trichloroethylene and more. Number 9. Chinese evergreen. These evergreen perennials are native to tropical forests in Asia. In addition to looking patterned and colorful, these pretty plants can remove many common toxins. But caring for these plants may require extra attention. Water moderately and allow compost to almost dry out before watering. Chinese evergreens like high humidity, a little regular misting, and getting repotted every few years. Chinese evergreen plants are toxic to dogs. It eliminates benzene, carbon monoxide, formaldehyde, trichloroethylene, and more. Number 10. Peace lilies. In the 1980s, NASA and the Associated Landscape Contractors of America discovered that peace lilies were one of the top 3 plants for removing common household toxins, even ammonia. Keep soil slightly moist. Peace lilies thrive in most lighting conditions, but too little light can prevent flowers from blooming. Despite its calming name, this beautiful plant is toxic to cats, dogs, and children. It's best to keep this as an ornamental plant as it can cause burning, swelling, and skin irritation in adults. It eliminates formaldehyde, benzene, trichloroethylene, xylene, ammonia, and more. Some look nicer than the others, but all of them are great for purifying your air and removing certain toxins from your home. Which plant do you have, and which one you're going to buy next? Leave a comment down below. Also, please let me know what kind of videos I should produce next. If you want to find out more about how you can be more healthy, please check out our playlist. If you liked this video, please make sure you hit the like and subscribe button, it really helps me a lot. Until next time, stay healthy